Hey guys, welcome to Tips and Tricks. And in this video, we will see how to recover accidentally deleted files on your PC. Now, on Windows 7 and 8, they had this privilege or facility wherein they could go to the previous version. So let me just tell you what I'm talking about. So let's say within this folder, I have these files. Let's say by mistake I happen to delete one of the songs, and I empty my recycle bin as well. Well, in Windows 7 and 8, you had this option of doing a right click and going to this option which says restore previous version, and going to this tab previous versions, and then you have to you can select the date that you need to go back to, and you can click on restore. Now they are grayed out for me because this is Windows 10 and this service is called as volume shadow services. Now for some reason, I'm not sure, I tried each and everything, this VSS service is not working for me. If you want to check this service, what you need to do is start from to go to services.msc. I spent quite some time on this. For this service to run, you need to make sure that the VSS service is turned on and is set to automatic. Alright, so services.msc is open now. You need to check a couple of things here. Go all the way down, and you see the option here which says volume shadow copy. Is that the one? Yeah, this is the one. So I turned it on, but it's turned off. I mean, it should be turned on, and it should be set to automatic. So I'm not sure why it stopped again. And you need to make sure that the task scheduler is also on and it's running. It's automatic. And another service which is Windows, Microsoft, this one, Microsoft Software Shadow Copy, Microsoft Shadow Copy Provider. This should be running and set to automatic as well. So I had turned on both of these to ensure that I get this option as well here which says previous versions. And then it seems then there are a whole lot of other things that we need to do, which is really hectic. And I don't think it's a problem with Windows 10. Maybe it's just with my anniversary version. So anyways, what I did was, after trying each and everything, I turned on to a third-party software. And as you can see here, I have three softwares: Recover, Wondershare, and Undelete 360. Now Recover, if you Google, comes on top of the list, which is a freeware and helps you recover those deleted files. But unfortunately, it doesn't work for me, and I'm not sure what's happening with it. We will see Wondershare data copy, Wondershare data recovery. This works well, and I'm gonna show you that as well. And we will also see Undelete 360. It worked for me once, so I'm not sure if it will work again. But Wondershare I've tried a couple of times and it works fine. But again, you can recover only 100 MB of data. Otherwise it's a paid version. So for free, it will let you recover 100 MB of files. Alright, let's go and check out all these three softwares. So let's just do one thing quickly. What I'll do is, I will run a test here. Okay, so I'll go to my F drive where I have all my music, and I will create a new folder. It says testing dev files. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, let's say I'm gonna take 3 files from here. Alright, so this is on F drive. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here and delete the first file. As you can see here, it's there in the recycle bin, and then I'm gonna delete it from here as well. Alright, now I'm gonna run Recover. Alright, so as you can see here, it gives you quite a few options. Now this was a music file, so I will go ahead and select this was a music file, or if you want, you can select all files. And if you don't know what location was it where you deleted the file, you can select I'm not sure, but in my case I know this was F drive. If you see here within F drive also, I can go ahead and check this is the folder where I deleted the file. I'll hit next. There's an option of enable deep scan. I guess that will take a long time, so I better not check it. Quickly you will see it hasn't found that file. So like I said, I'm not sure if they stopped distributing the free version, which isn't working. Now I will run Wondershare data recovery. Okay, it says 81 MB left because I used it once. So Wondershare only offers you 100 MB of recovery free. So anyways, let's try the free trial. Still have 85 MB to go. We'll just say next. Okay, I will say it was an MP3 file, and then I will select similarly that this was on F drive and say OK and next. Okay, so on Wondershare, enable deep scan is checked by default. Ensure that you don't select it in case it's a small file that you're looking for. So quickly you will see here it has found that file. This is the file. You see the date as well. It says the status of the file is good, and then what you can do is I will select only that particular file. It says 8 MB, it's all good. I will say recover, and I will recover it on my, let's say, in the same folder. But this is not recommended. Quickly you will see here, saving data on the same source partition will reduce the chances of successful recovery. Okay, so let's do one thing. I'm gonna select a different drive. So let's say on G, and I will say recover. Now there you go. It has opened the G drive. Recycle bin. There's my song. And if I want to check it, you can see go to details. It's 8 MB. Why don't we try to listen to it? Let's see. Alright, so it's all good. Let's do it again. Because there's something more to it. Let me just tell you. Once you delete a file and you realize that you've deleted the file, you should stop doing any kind of work on your PC. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one this time, and then I'm gonna straight away run and delete 360. And the reason I tell you stop doing everything is basically the data is not deleted. Whenever you delete something, it's not deleted. Only the pointer to that space is kind of jumbled up. So if you keep doing work after you delete something, that particular space where the earlier data was there, kind of is taken over by something else. Okay, I still don't see my MP3. Okay, should I search again? I will go to F drive and let refresh and search. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying. Hope this helps you when making a decision. There are still a lot of softwares available, but I guess Undelete 360 is good. It didn't work for me right now, but Wondershare, which is a paid one, which is not quite expensive, is also a good option. So the choice is up to you guys. Alright, thank you.